That's the second coat of Pettit EasyPoxy Ice Blue or Blue Ice. I can't remember which one it is. We rolled it with a little Mighty Mini foam roller and tipped it with a little sash brush meant for use for oil paints so that the bristles don't melt. This is the second and a half coat. We got 2 coats on, sanded a few little areas. Brush this on, we'll see how it feels. So far the bugs are loving it. Got little intruders on some parts of the bowl, but not so bad over here. About 70 degrees, light wind. Thought we could do it outside. Figured, didn't know if it would matter for the bugs either way. They'd find us inside also. But this little guy can just kick him off when it's done, but these other little smaller critters, just leave them alone till it dries. See if they'll just rub off of there. But real happy with how this coat went on. We'll wipe it down when it's all dry and see if that's the final coat or if we got maybe one more to go on it. Make sure we don't have any holidays, what we call them, little areas where the paint took a holiday or the brush took a holiday, and maybe have a little light spot or bare spot. But so far it's looking pretty good, and things will pop up, see what pops up once it's all dry. This is the 1979 Drascombe Dabber Victory.